Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write on a blank slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, a simple but essential skill that will take your presentations to the next level. Whether you're adding notes, instructions, or custom content, this quick guide will have you writing confidently in no time. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're in the right software before diving in. Next, open your existing presentation or start a new one if you're just getting started. Once your slide deck is open, focus on the menu bar at the top. Click on the Insert tab. This is your hub for adding new elements like pictures, charts, and of course, text boxes. Select the text box option and you'll notice your cursor changes, signaling that you're ready to add text. Now, click anywhere on your blank slide where you want your text to appear. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. You can always move and adjust the text box later. Once clicked, start typing your content. This could be a title, bullet points, or any information you need. To make your text stand out, head over to the Home tab where you can change fonts, colors, and sizes. Customizing your text not only makes your slides more visually appealing, but also keeps your audience engaged. And just like that, you're ready to add text to any blank slide in PowerPoint. With this skill, you can create presentations that are not only informative, but also polished and professional. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to boost your productivity in Microsoft PowerPoint. Happy presenting!